Central and Jefferson County.
Tune TV? What the F?
At 3:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sylvan Springs, 47 miles northwest of Hueytown, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Bro moment to this radio.
Radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Birmingham, Vestavia
And
Hills,
you did not go off?
Homewood, Mountain Brook, Hueytown, Gardendale, Irondale, Fairfield, Fultondale, Center Point, Pleasant Grove, Kitson, Tarrant, Midfield, Adamsville, Brighton, Lipscomb, Grayville, and Morris. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jefferson, Alabama.
You'll be right here.